Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can easily install Hyperspace in UPLAY. So let's start with how we can download the game. So what you want to do is just be in UPLAY. Now just click here on games. And you want to click here on free games. And you're gonna see right here Hyperspace, Open Beta or Hyperspace. Click on it and then just click download. And now choose the language. I'm going to choose where different install folder. I will go to games and I will name it Hyperspace. Nice. Okay. Continue. Accept and continue. Okay, that was just the update. And now it's installing and it's going to be installed in a short while. So this is how we install the Hyperspace game. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.